Cruise lines rake in over $40 billion annually, and there's a shocking reason they keep these 12 money-saving secrets hidden from seniors. What I'm about to reveal could save you hundreds of dollars on your next cruise, but the cruise industry definitely doesn't want you knowing these insider cruise secrets. Today, we're diving deep into the hidden cruise secrets that could transform your entire cruise experience. If you're planning your first cruise, or want to avoid those costly rookie cruise mistakes that drain your wallet, stick around because these cruise secrets are absolute game changers. Before we jump into these cruise insider tips, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. We drop new cruise hacks and cruise tips and tricks every week to help you cruise smarter, not harder. Now, let's count down these 12 cruise line secrets that could save you serious money and frustration. We're starting with number 12 and working our way to the most shocking secret that even veteran cruisers miss. Secret number 12, free laundry service extensions. Most cruise lines advertise their laundry packages, but here's what they don't tell you. If you're cruising for more than 7 days, you can often get additional laundry service days completely free by simply asking guest services during embarkation. The crew knows about this flexibility, but they're trained to sell the standard packages first. Here's how to use this cruise hack. Visit guest services within the first 24 hours and mention you have medical needs or extended cruise requirements. Most lines will extend your laundry package by 2 to 3 days at no extra cost. This can save you anywhere from $50 to $80 per person, especially on longer voyages. Secret number 11, priority tender boat access for mobility concerns. When your ship anchors offshore and you need tender boats to reach port, there's often long waiting times. Cruise lines don't advertise this, but they provide priority tender access for anyone with mobility concerns, regardless of whether you've booked an accessible cabin. The crew keeps this quiet because it could create longer lines if everyone knew. Simply inform guest services about any walking difficulties, joint issues, or balance concerns. You'll get priority boarding on tender boats, potentially saving you hours of standing in line and ensuring you maximize your port time. Secret number 10, complimentary room upgrades for solo travelers. Single supplement fees are notorious in the cruise industry, but here's a hidden cruise secret. Cruise lines often have unsold higher category cabins and will upgrade solo travelers for free to fill inventory. Cruise crew members know this happens regularly, but don't promote it because it might discourage people from paying for upgrades up front. Book an interior cabin as a solo traveler, then politely ask about complimentary upgrades at check-in. Mention it's a special occasion like a birthday or anniversary. You could score a balcony upgrade worth $300 to $500. Secret number 9, free specialty dining passes for dietary restrictions. Cruise lines heavily promote their specialty dining packages, but they rarely mention that passengers with documented dietary restrictions often receive complimentary access to specialty restaurants where they can better accommodate special needs. The crew doesn't advertise this because it could impact specialty dining revenue. If you have diabetes, celiac disease, severe food allergies, or other dietary restrictions, inform guest services and request access to specialty restaurants for better meal options. This could save you $200 to $400 on dining packages while ensuring safer meal choices. Secret number 8, unlimited internet for medical emergencies. Cruise internet packages can cost $15 to $30 per day, but cruise lines provide free unlimited internet access for passengers dealing with medical emergencies or family situations requiring constant communication. This isn't advertised because it could be abused, but crew members are authorized to provide emergency internet access. If you're managing medical care for a family member at home, caring for grandchildren remotely, or dealing with urgent business matters, explain your situation to guest services. You'll often receive complimentary internet access for your entire cruise. Secret number 7, free professional photos for special occasions. Cruise photographers charge premium prices for photo packages, but here's what most passengers never discover. Cruise lines often provide complimentary professional photos for passengers celebrating major milestones, especially seniors celebrating significant anniversaries or birthdays. The photo staff knows about this policy, but focuses on selling packages first. Inform the photo desk about your special celebration within the first day. Mention milestone anniversaries like 25th, 40th, or 50th, or significant birthdays. You'll often receive a complimentary photo session and several high-quality prints, saving you $100 to $300. Secret number 6. Priority disembarkation for connecting flights. Most cruise lines offer express departure, only to suite guests, but they have hidden policies for passengers with tight flight connections, especially seniors who may need extra time navigating airports. Crew members rarely volunteer this information because it could create operational challenges. If your flight departs within 4 hours of scheduled disembarkation, or if you have mobility concerns affecting your travel time, request priority disembarkation at guest services. Explain your specific travel concerns, and you'll often receive early departure privileges, potentially saving missed flights and hundreds in rebooking fees. But here's where things get really interesting. Secret number 5. Free cabin location changes for better sleep. Cruise lines assign cabins based on booking order and category, but they don't tell you about their flexibility in relocating passengers for comfort reasons, especially for seniors who might be sensitive to noise or motion. The crew knows cabins near elevators, above entertainment venues, or at the ship's front can be problematic, but they don't proactively offer relocations. Within 24 hours of embarkation, politely request a cabin change if you're experiencing noise issues, motion sensitivity, or sleep disruption. Most cruise lines will accommodate these requests when alternative cabins are available, improving your sleep quality and overall cruise experience. Secret number 4. Complimentary shore excursion modifications for physical limitations. Cruise lines sell shore excursions with standard activity levels, but they rarely advertise their ability to modify excursions for passengers with physical limitations or provide alternative arrangements. Shore excursion staff are trained to maximize sales, not to offer modifications that might reduce revenue. If a booked excursion becomes too physically demanding, request modifications through guest services. Many cruise lines will arrange transportation alternatives, shorter walking routes, or even partial refunds while helping you enjoy the destination safely. This could save you from wasting money on excursions you can't fully enjoy. Now, this next secret is a real game changer. Secret number 3. Free medical consultation upgrades. Cruise medical centers charge for consultations, but senior passengers often qualify for complimentary medical check-ins, medication consultations, and basic health monitoring services. Medical staff don't advertise this because it could create excessive demand, but they're required to provide certain services free for passengers over 65 or those with pre-existing conditions requiring monitoring. If you take multiple medications, have diabetes, heart conditions, or other chronic conditions requiring regular monitoring, request complimentary check-ins. This could save you $50 to $100 per consultation while ensuring your health safety. Secret number 2. Unlimited beverage package extensions for medical reasons. Beverage packages are expensive, but cruise lines have policies for extending or modifying these packages for passengers with medical conditions requiring increased fluid intake or specific beverage restrictions. The bar staff and guest services know about these accommodations, but focus on selling standard packages first. If you have conditions requiring increased hydration, medication timing with specific beverages, or dietary restrictions affecting drink choices, request package modifications. Many cruise lines will extend beverage benefits or provide complimentary alternatives, potentially saving you $100 to $200 while meeting your health needs. And now, the most valuable secret that could save you the most money. Secret number 1. Free cruise credit for booking anniversary dates. This is the biggest cruise line secret that could save you hundreds of dollars. Cruise lines track passenger history and offer significant onboard credits for passengers booking cruises during their previous cruise anniversary dates. The reservation staff rarely mention this because it could impact booking timing and revenue optimization. If you're booking a cruise during the same month you took your last cruise, or if you're celebrating wedding anniversaries during your cruise dates, specifically ask about anniversary booking credits. Many cruise lines offer $25 to $100 in onboard credit per person, plus additional perks like priority boarding or dining reservations. Here's what most people don't realize about maximizing these cruise insider tips. The key is timing and approach. Always make these requests within the first 24 hours of your cruise. Be polite and specific about your needs, and don't be afraid to ask. Crew members are often willing to help, but aren't allowed to volunteer information that could impact revenue. When booking your cruise, consider using Expedia for the best deals and convenience. Expedia offers competitive pricing on all major cruise lines, excellent customer service, and easy booking modifications. Plus, you can often find package deals combining flights and hotels with your cruise, maximizing your vacation value. The platform makes comparing different cruise options incredibly simple, helping you find the perfect cruise for your budget and preferences. These cruise secrets work because cruise lines build flexibility into their operations, but don't advertise it widely. They want to maintain revenue streams while providing excellent customer service. As a senior cruiser, you often qualify for additional considerations that younger passengers might not receive, especially regarding health, mobility, and comfort concerns. Remember, the worst thing that can happen is they say no, but you'll be surprised how often these requests are approved. Cruise lines want happy passengers who will cruise again and recommend their experiences to others. Senior passengers represent a crucial demographic for repeat business, so cruise lines are often more accommodating than you might expect. The money you save using these cruise tips and tricks can be significant. Between free upgrades, complimentary services, waived fees, and additional credits, you could easily save $300 to $800 per cruise. For couples, these savings could nearly pay for your next cruise vacation. Before you book your next cruise, make sure to check out our cruise deals through the Expedia link in the description below. You'll find competitive pricing on all major cruise lines, plus the convenience of booking everything in one place. Expedia's customer service team can also help you understand cruise policies and maximize your booking benefits. If you found these cruise crew secrets helpful, make sure to subscribe to Cruise Navigator for more insider cruise hacks and tips. We're constantly uncovering new ways to cruise smarter and save money. Hit that notification bell so you never miss our latest cruise insider tips. Coming up next week, we're revealing the biggest rookie cruise mistakes that cost passengers thousands of dollars, plus the cruise line secrets that crew members are specifically told never to share with passengers. You won't want to miss these shocking revelations. Which of these 12 cruise secrets surprised you the most? Have you tried any of these cruise hacks before? Drop a comment below and share your experiences. We love hearing from fellow cruisers and learning about your success stories. Remember, cruising should be about relaxation and enjoyment, not worrying about hidden costs and missed opportunities. With these insider cruise secrets, you're now equipped to maximize your cruise experience while minimizing unnecessary expenses. Thanks for watching Cruise Navigator, and we'll see you on the next voyage of cruise secrets and savings.